Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to be designing a pumpkin house. This work was inspired by the graphic artist Laurie Furnell, who has this beautiful collection of autumn gnome digital art. So for this lesson, the first thing we're going to draw is a pumpkin. When you draw a pumpkin, it is mostly the shape of a circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pencil and we're going to plan out where to put our pumpkin on the page. Fill the bottom half of the page with a circle. Next, I'm going to turn this circle into a pumpkin by using a series of ovals. I'm going to start in the middle and draw the center of our pumpkin right in the center of the page. And then we're going to draw another half of an oval. It's going to just touch on the outside of our circle. And another half oval on this side. There we go. We have kind of a pumpkin shape. The next thing that we're going to add is the pumpkin stem. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to start wider in the middle. And then we're going to draw a stem that goes around in kind of a curly cue. So what I do is I draw two lines, one for the inside, and then I draw another one for the outside. Okay. Now we want our stem to look like one part of it is in front of the other. See how it overlaps here? So what I have to do is I have to erase where the lines overlap. And then let me show you that with a Sharpie. Now next we're going to create the door of our pumpkin house. For this, I created a handout so that you can have some different examples of doors and think of what you want to add for your door. You can make up your own, or you could use one of the ones from the handout. The door is going to go in the bottom half of our pumpkin, right in this area. And I'm going to start by drawing a step. Marker so you can see it. And then I think I'll make a circular door for this. Make a circle for the bottom of my door. Make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And then around the edge of my door, I am going to draw some stones. Very easy, you just add little ovals all the way around the edge of your paper, of your door. Now, right now it looks kind of like a cave opening, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some details that are going to make it look like a door. We'll add doorknob, and then maybe something to make it look like we can tell what the door is made out of. So by drawing some simple lines, making it look like our door is made out of wood. I'm going to add right in the center, I'm going to add a heart shape. need to add some windows, maybe one on each side of our door. And there are many different shape windows that we can do. I think I like this one right here. So I'm going to make that a little bit, should be almost even, maybe a little bit higher than the door. And I draw a curved line that's straight at the bottom. Now what I do over on this side, I'm going to do on this side. Curved line, try to match that door. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a window box around it. What I do on one side, I should do on the other. There. It's my window box. Now I'm going to add some flowers in my window box. To do that, I'm going to figure out where I want to put my flowers. Draw a couple circles, maybe 3 on each side. And when I draw that circle, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little circle inside. And from the little circle to the big circle, I'm going to draw each petal. Then I'm going to draw some leaves. And after I'm happy with my flowers, then I can add the windows. First, I'm going to divide up where my windows are going to go. And then I'm going to draw each window pane separately. Leaving a little space between. Of course, any window that you do will look fantastic. Another thing that I can add is a chimney. On this example, my chimney's made out of stone. I think in this example, my chimney I will make out of metal. So I'm just gonna kind of make up a crazy chimney, put a top on it. And some smoke. You can make up any shaped chimney you want. These are just the elements that make up a house. We can also add elements like branches. There's some pumpkin branches in this one. In Miss Furnell's Halloween house, she has different kinds of branches. You can make up your own branches. You can add a porch. I love this little porch right there. Continue drawing until you are happy with your windows, your doors. You can add some landscape. Here's a mailbox. And we'll see what you come up with. Okay, I think I'm happy with my drawing. I hope you're happy with your drawing. I just wanted to briefly talk about how to color. As I've been showing you for this lesson, I used color pencils, but you can use crayons, oil pastels, colored pencils, whatever you have is terrific. Obviously for pumpkins, we're going to use orange. So when you're coloring, what I do is I color back and forth, and I fill in an area. And to make my pumpkin look three-dimensional, I press harder at the edge of any shape that I want it to look like it's going back in space. I'll continue this. And you work on your coloring. And mine is complete. I can't wait to see yours, boys and girls. I'd like to, here's my other example, a little bit different. I would like to once again thank Laurie Furnell for use of her beautiful autumn gnome digital art. And I can't wait to see what you create.